Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Now, isn't they are turning around, right? Because Usamke is busy pushing uNomfundo in the arms zaka Sibalikhulu. Uyamtshela ukuthi egaya zibambele laphayana umshado lo into yakho le ihlanganise, right? Lona ke naye uyambona ukuthi uyamfuna uSibalikhulu. At this point I thank that guy for leaving and seeing ukuthi le relationship or le nkukhu ayiqothayo ingathi iyabanda. Now ugirl nje uye oyicomforta kuSibalikhulu. Uye uyicomforta uSibalikhulu umtshela the way abaluleke ngakhona, the way amthanda ngakhona, the way this uyabona ukuthi nje uzibona awumfazi walaphiyana. Alright chap, with that said, kube indaba kaSibalikhulu. Sibalikhulu atshele uPhetheni ukuthi we are pretending for the sake of ngwana. At this point we are pretending for the sake of ukwenzo, and then masesiqedile ukupretenda for the sake of ukwenzo, iphelile yonke lento kakwenzo, siqedile. Hayi ke ugirl anga-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. Basahleli laphayana kumemulo kaSibongile bamshaye ngendaba yokuthi mina enhleki ngifuna i-divorce. Asathi ukhamsile athi vala umlomo phela uSmile abantu bangaboni ukuthi kunenkinga ngoba uthi abantu abamelanga babone. Like into laphayana nje esinye isiphithiphithi. I personally think ukuthi uSibalikhulu is selfish because the secret he had is the very same secret that uPhetheni had. On the same hand, uPhetheni was selfish because ukwenzo now is going to grow up without knowing ubabu wakhe. Now he's going to have an unnecessary identity crisis. Hayi ke uyenzeke umemulo kaSibongile uSangweni no siswa khona uVelephi banga-attend. uSangweni yachaza ukuthi yena uye estradini usayozama iching ching usayozama lokho, and then usiswa khona achaza ukuthi cha yena angeke akwazi because of why yena uya emsebenzini. Vele izinto zingampopeli kulo msebenzi wakhe adecide afuna ukuyeka ukuthi ayiyeke ile business because of ngathi bafuna ukuba bamba because of how sexy they dress. Like they dress in a way yokuthi it's revealing but they are going to clean, so ama customers bababona as abantu abathengisayo, right? So at this point business is on hold or it's concluded. Iyenzeke into kaSibongile kube mnandi kube kuhle. Hey uSibongile ujabulile, enye into nje eyenzakalayo muhle uSibongile uyenzeke uyenzakale umemulo a celebrate ubaba wakhe ayemsamo akhulume akhulume okuningi. I don't know ukuthi are they still going on production break and when, but if they are going to leave us like super hanging because at this point we are like we want more. We never want more kuSibongile and the Dlaminis because the storyline drags, but at this point they are leaving us at a point where we want more.